today's video, I will be making another beautiful balloon setup. It's gonna be in a big hoop balloons. We have 12 inches and 11 inches balloon, and we also have 9 and 5 inches. That's latex balloon. So I inflated this to different sizes because it's gonna be a clusters of balloons. So it doesn't matter what size. You just have to tie this here. So I'm outside and it's hot in here. It's humid. So it doesn't matter what color or sizes, just put them like that. And then this. So right now there's quad right here. So you make another quad like that. So I have one here besides me. So you just have to grab one of the end right here, one of your end. So connect them. So it becomes 8 balloons. Tie it like that. So now they're connected. So you have one set of clusters of balloon right here. So I have another one here. We'll connect them. So again, find one of your end right here. Find the longest one. So now we have this two right here. So 8 clusters of balloon, 8 clusters of balloon, connect them together. So again, find another end of your balloon here and one of the ends here. So again, you will connect. Okay, so now they're connected right here. So the shape right there, like that, and you can just make another way. I'll make this a little longer. So another cluster of balloon. So set of 4. I connect it to this side. So you can shape this anywhere you want. Okay. So I will make 2 sets of this. One is longer, and it'll be like, you'll see it later once we put it on the hook. All right. So for this one, for the little one, this is actually 11 inches. This is 12 inches. This color. For this color, I inflated this to about the same with this as well. I inflated this to 5 inches. Okay. So pinch it right here. About the same thing on the other side. And then this becomes quad, just like that. Later, once we mount this or put this on the hook, we'll add some, fill in the gaps later. Okay, we got our clusters of balloons right here. We'll attach one here and one on top. So I will be using my fishing line right here. So you can, as I said, you can use either fishing line or 260Q balloon. So just putting it like this, and one on that side. So pull the string here or fishing line. So we'll connect the fishing line right here on your hook, just like that, and then attach this here. Then just lasso it. I'll do the same thing on the bottom here. So if you don't like we don't like the location, we can always move this around. Just like that. Okay. So when you go here at the front, you can just shape it just the way you want. And if you don't like it, back up and Look at that. So we'll leave it like that for now. So we'll work on the other side of that. Put the fishing line here. Alright guys, so I'll add more clusters on the very top right here. Alright guys, so it's time to add the flowers right here. As you can see, we have another blog for this. Please check that out, and I will attach this using our balloon glue dots. Okay. Here. Alright guys, so next thing we do, we will add our clusters of our quads right here. Same thing, we will use our glue dots. So we'll cover that. So now we need to add our curls right here, balloon curls. So just have to add it here. Alright guys, this is it. It's finally done. I hope you guys like this setup. And once again, this is Bam Bam NY, Garland here. I hope you learned something from this channel. And please subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And here it is. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.